Alright, it's early morning, a little before 7, around there. I'm doing some lake fishing today. Got everybody set up and everything. We got a group of 4 snow machines. Hope it's gonna be a good day for fishing. So, I'll see you guys soon. Man, after setting up all the flags, we got a nice sunrise in the distance. Alright, now I'm going to be checking the length, or not length, the depth of each hole to properly measured. Set the hook. I don't think this does so well in the cold. It's pretty chilly outside. Should be about Anyway, I'm gonna probably put my GoPro in the swim so it warms up. I can actually film better. That should be good. I'm gonna so we got all the flags set up and everything. Now we're just waiting for fish to bite. But there's nothing too interesting happening at the moment. Nobody got a fish. We just finished setting up everything not too long ago. And yeah. But interesting how much like just snow is above the ice. It's a good 2 feet. Not a lot of a lot of snow on top. It just makes it hard to see all the flags. There's about like, I don't know, maybe 30, like yeah. I hope it's gonna be a good day. Get some fish and stuff. I'm like not even holding this level because my GoPro. Anyway, but hopefully get some. Currently chopping down a tree. Oh, chop down a tree. Gonna make a fire. And yeah, it's going to be nice and warm because it's chilly right now. Early January, or not early, late January. Usually goes sometime March. It's warmer. And we got a tree cut down. Kind of start the fire. Anyway. A lunch break by the fire. Yummy. Anyway, you got the first fish as we're eating. Dude, you gotta take a video of fish, man. Like, look at that monster. You gonna hold him up?
Oh yeah.
He's giant. Ooh. You gotta hold him out and like put your fingers behind him a little more. Make him look huge. Look at that giant fish. The whole like, I don't know, maybe more than 16. Somewhere there. It's a huge fish, bro. It's a new personal best. Can this be my first fish? Like, look at that. It's gotta be a monster. spin here for a minute because she ain't spinning no more. Can't tell if I got the hole. Most likely. Just took all the line out. There's some weight on it, but nothing's pulling. Normally the small ones don't take all the line out, but then again, this has been here for a few. I'm not seeing nothing. It's getting lighter. I think there's a bunch of weeds. Oh, no, no. He's in the hole. He's, oh, freaking A. He's right there. Look at him. He's just chilling. He's like in the hole right there. I don't know if you guys can see him that well. I don't feel like getting my camera wet, but look, there's his tail. He's just chilling. Oh my goodness. Hold up, watch this. Did he just leave? I think he's gone. Oh no, he's still there. What is this fish actually doing?
So I tried grabbing the fish with my hands, and I almost got him a couple times. He swam by a few times, but while I was waiting, I decided to throw the bait back in the water just to see if anything would happen. And eventually, I pulled out another fish.
Oh my goodness, that was so worth it. So freaking worth it. Stop it. Bro, I knew I should have stuffed it, threw it down. I just got another fish. I just threw this in the water and got this nice little pike. It's a similar size to that one, but it's a nice fish. Nice pike. Rawr. So I got a fish. It was actually kind of nice to cut on camera while waiting for the... I think this is a different pike. I really hope it is. The flag was up when I was heading back. Oh, my hands are cold. Oh, my goodness. Anyway. Let's see if there's a fish. That's gonna fall. Hopefully not. Nice. Hasn't been there very long either. Look at that guy. He's about the same size as the other one. He's not bad, not bad.
We got some fresh pike that I just caught, Ryan. Gonna be pretty tasty.
Got some tea as well.
Anyway,
I only got 3 fish total. Well, minus 1 casualty.
that's pretty beautiful day.
I'm just glad I got fish. Let alone 2. I believe this is my 3rd or 4th flag. I honestly don't remember. Or my 3rd, it's my 4th flag if you count the one I gave to Steve. 3rd if it's just ones I pulled out, which I believe is my 3rd. Which I want to point at the hole so you guys can see my fishy when I pull them out, if I do. A lot of small ones. I don't know what's up with that. Not a bad pike. I mean, it's not my biggest. It's not my smallest, so what's the word? Can't complain. But that's nice. That's pike number 3 for me. 3, dude. back at the same spot where the pike came to the top. So I guess round 2, well technically 3, not 2, because I did actually pull one waiting here, waiting for that fish to come. But anyway, they didn't take all the line out this time, that's nice. I don't know, I'm not feeling him. Oh yeah, did you look at that? New PB, bro. Like, oh my goodness, get a look at this guy. So, it went up again. Started shaking violently. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute before I tug. I'm gonna let him take a little line. You know, swallow that hook. That might actually be a good time because he's gonna pull it out a bit far. Seems like a good one. He's nice and aggressive. And yeah, I'm gonna like slowly wait for him to pull. There we go. Oh, nice. That's a good one, bro. Up on that. Stop it. Don't get caught on the line. That's our first beauty of the day, guys. It's a nice one. 2 feet, I think. Almost. He's cutting it close to 2 feet for sure, though. I don't have a tape measure, but go based off of me senses. Come here, fishy. Alright, if anyone asks, I did not throw snow into the hole. That's actually perfect. He did not grab the one hook that's bad. This is hard with one hand. I literally have a tripod for that reason. I just need you to open your mouth. Guys, watch this ingenuity. I don't know if you can see. Don't fall. Boom. Get out. Look at that beauty. One more. Anyway, I'm gonna like reposition like this. Look at this fish. This is a nice pike. He's a pretty good length. I don't really care about measuring him, but not a bad one. Pike are such nice, beautiful, fun fish to catch. Like the pattern on there, like because they're territorial and they just ambush, like matches well with like swamps and bush and all that stuff. Well, not swamps, but you know what I'm saying. My fishermen know what I'm talking about. Wait for him to pull it and then snag it. If you feel him, snag it. Nice. Lift it straight so you don't hook the ice. Good for you. Why? It's the second I gave you. And this point twice. The way. Man, that face stinks. Took all the line. Whoa. Oh my goodness, he's huge, bro. It's not a bad one. Oh, you let go. Come on, that, huh? Oh yeah. What a Chad, bro. He just let go for us. Anyway, Steve just got another fish. As I was driving back, I was like, I'm gonna drop mine off and he can go check it. But no, he had to get a fish. You need a moiva? Yeah. You can set it up, back up yourself, yeah? Yeah. Okay, have fun. Anyway, he got another fish. I'm gonna head back to Schmamp and put mine in its rightful place. Once I fix my mittens. Because I'm a cold little boy. I'm gonna get cold. One-handed? This is also mine. we'll see that. I already fell out. I've been tasked with cleaning up the fishing holes and schmoles and holes. Just ours though. The rest of their problem. Here's one of our poles. Or, what's the word? The bird is the word. One of our flags. Who did this? That's nowhere near the ice, bro. That's just bad. Look how deep that is. Well, it just makes my life easier though. I don't have to reel in that as much. Nah, pike. Num num. I missed the hole. Oh, there we go. Fourth, third time's the charm? Question mark. Boom. Kaboom. On to the next, and there's next, and one thing that's nice about putting everything away is, oh, he's right there. He tangled himself up. Come on, come on, come on. He just tangled himself up so badly. Yoo-hoo! I need the pliers for this one. Alright, we're all packed up, as you can see, and then we're just gonna head out. So, yeah, pretty good day. Not the most fish we've gotten, but pretty nice, pretty nice. This is my setup. Pretty easy. Got the chest strap. I've got the GoPro on. And gotta get ready. Alright, we're home. We got everything set. We got everything drying. Yeah. But it was a fun day. Not a lot of fish, but that's alright. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. I don't care. But thanks for watching, and hope you see you next time.